You'll need a thickish band for the band chest pulls. You're going to have your hands about 2 or 3 hand widths apart, have a solid grip on the band, sitting in a position like so where you're actually putting a bit of weight into the band. You are going to need a band that's strong enough where you can sit a little bit like this in an athletic position, and then we're going to simply pull the elbows back while keeping the chest up and tall. So we're going to have our hands, like I said, about 2 or 3 hand widths apart there, and you can see what the hands are doing as I push the hands in towards the band. They're actually turning out slightly, so the palms are facing away, and as I pull the band in towards myself, the palms end up almost facing one another, so we're just opening and closing the shoulders a little bit there. This can be done seated, but we usually want to stand so that you do get that core and postural element in there as well. So just again, we want to have our palms facing out to the side slightly when the arms are extended, and as you pull and row in, think about pulling the elbows back and turning the hands in so the palms do face each other slightly. Pick a band that you can comfortably do about 10 to 15 reps of. That's a band chest pull.